One TV Patrol.
Balik sa mga balita sa One TV Patrol. Police Lieutenant Colonel Mark Green Lagura, bagong hepe sa Usami City Police Station. Formal nang gipahimutang si Police Lieutenant Colonel Mark Green Lagura isip bagong hepe sa kapulisan sa Dakbayan sa Usamis. Ang turnover ceremony gipegayon Agosto 12 sa Usami City Police Station building gikan sa outgoing Usami City PNP OIC Police Major Agustin Arazo. Kini gisaksihan usam sa kaubang mga taas nga PNP official sa probinsya o syudad nga sila si Police Lieutenant Colonel Harvey Abellanosa o Police Lieutenant Colonel P.T. Ryan Rebillas o Peace and Order Committee Chairman Attorney Mars Tapayan sa ngalan ni Mayor Sam Normango Fuentes. Ang bag-ong nga mihulip isip hepe sa Usamis PNP. Dili na bag-o sa Usamis, gumikan kay Kanhi Force Commander kini sa 2nd Provincial Mobile Force Company. Si Police Major Agustin Arazo mialagad sa Usamis City Police Station sulod lang sa 5 ka bulan human panguluhan ang Usamis PNP niadtong Marso nining tuiga. Sa iyang mensahe gipasalig sa bag-ong hepe nga ipadayon ang pagprioridad sa kampanya batok illegal nga droga o guban pang nawong sa kriminalidad. Community Police Visibility nga mausay numero 1 kampanya sa kanunay asenso Usamis Administration.
As I told over the command today, I do so with confidence that this station will remain steadfast in its mission. I extend my full support and best wishes to our newly designated officer in charge, Police Lieutenant Colonel Mark Green Lagura, sir. You are taking command of our resolute team, and I am confident that under your leadership, this station will continue to strengthen and service of to the community. I encourage everyone to extend to him the same cooperation, loyalty, and commitment that you have shown during my tenure. Let us continue to work as one team, guided by our duty to uphold the law, protect our communities, and learn the trust and confidence of the people we serve.
I want to reaffirm to you my commitment to your shared vision in this province. Thank you for the trust and confidence. Rest assured, sir, that I will level up to cope with your set standards in making this province a safer place. To our beloved Mayor, I pledge my unwavering support to work hand in hand by strengthening the principles of community service-oriented policy, ensuring that our personnel are always accessible, dependable, and deeply rooted in the communities we serve.
We try to minimize drugs, illegal drugs. Okay. Usami City, I think, is the best performing city in all region sa anti-drugs. Ato lang kita na ang mga doctors na recently benefit society because of strength, our hope, our faith. Kasi una, kita di ang sabog kita Mindanao. Kita ang sikat. It's a very bad illness. Oh, the system led by the congressman, our now Governor Attorney Milan, exceptional reports na mawala ang dautang imahin sa Sudan.
One TV Patrol.